Alright, so now we will have a massage. I'm super duper excited. So, let's check this out.
Yo,
What's up? Alright, so now we are in Tanjung Benoa area. Amnaya Hotel in Tanjung Benoa. Wow, it's raining, but we are so happy that we finally arrived here. Wow, now let's get inside and check in time.
Because it's raining.
Let's go. Yeah, hello.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm very well, Mama. How are you?
Oh, very good, wonderful. Alright, so we just arrived to the one hotel in Tanjung Benoa. Winnie is doing the paperwork, checking, stuff like this. We're gonna stay 2 nights today, which is super cool. I will quickly show you a beautiful lobby of this hotel. It's very new hotel, it's open only about not even 1 year, so very still fresh, very nice, beautiful lobby. Unfortunately, it's a little bit rainy today, but it's super cool. Alright, it's time to show you the room and check this out. 205.
Hi, welcome home.
Oh, honey, this is so beautiful room, honey.
Oh my god, this is the best room that I think best of the best.
This is one of the best rooms what we got in this year, at least in the past few months in Bali so far. Really cool. Check this out. I will show you.
This one thing that I want to show you. This is the, let's say, dining table. You know, like the
Something like a living area.
living room. And look at this. If I want to watch TV, and then while eating here, sitting here, so I watching facing this way. But when I want to sleep,
That's so cool, right?
and I will do like this.
Which is
Damian
super
is a big
cool.
fan now watching TV.
Yeah.
Look at this.
This is the super cool bed.
Yeah. And then they also have a bathtub. Oh my god.
Honey, be careful lah. Oh, beautiful.
It's so beautiful. And then
Check this out, the bed. The size of the room is really big actually, I have to say. Also the shower, toilet, mirror, toilet,
and one more.
and also the terrace. Can't forget
I
about
open
that.
This one is for the balcony. Like this.
You can chill here, smoke if you're smoking, and the garden view today is unfortunately rainy, unfortunately.
Okay.
But it's very nice actually when it's rainy.
Tropical rain, you
It's
know.
like a
Garden.
tropical vibe over here.
So cool.
It's really cool. Alright, so that's how it serves the situation. I'm really happy. We got this room, actually we bought the voucher when they opened the hotel, and this current situation begin was a lot of promotions around Bali, and we bought this hotel already many months ago and we forgot how much it cost. But we didn't stay here because of Winnie was busy, right? And you just found the time to stay right now. However, we asked how much is the current condition prices in this place, in this lovely, huge room, if you can see.
Well,
so
actually the price now is about 450 per night, including breakfast. Ooh,
which is super cool.
Super cool. Alright, so now I will get ready. I will have a massage at 4. I think the facility in the hotel, they have a gym. If Damian doesn't want to have massage, it's okay, because you know, somehow like he feel like ooh. But if he doesn't want to have massage, the hotel have a swimming pool, they have a library, they also have a gym, so he can go to the gym, because
I will show you around.
he didn't go to the gym.
for sure I will show
So Damian will show you around.
I cannot promise you I will go to the gym working out, but I will show you for sure. So stay tuned. We will see what they gonna bring us today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, so now we are in the spa room. This is called Bafa Spa. They really care about the health protocols, as you see when we arrive. Check. And Damian also will have a spa. Ooh la la, it's totally
So
pampering
cool.
day today. Oh wow.
Check this out. Also something cool over here. I don't know.
so first of all, before we take a spa, the most important thing is that we have to fill in the medical record, you know. This is the form that I have to fill in because nowadays, you know, whenever that you want to have a spa here, so the most important thing is about the health protocols. Oh, so after I fill in the form, so this one is the welcome drink. La. It's very sweet, it's sweet taste and very fresh. Towel. So before we start the treatment, all right. So you have your welcoming drink also. It's so good, sweet, fresh. I love it.
So nice. Beautiful. What is this? I will try.
Okay.
Very nice.
Very
Check
nice.
this out, the
Very
refreshing
nice.
towel in the banana leaf.
Nice.
Very nice. Okay.
So good.
It's fruity oil. Blend with grapefruit, lemon, and geranium.
Oh. Oh, smells so good.
So basically it's 5 different fragrance. Very nice. So honey, which oil you choose?
Okay, so I choose this one. This one Island God oil.
Island
this
of
one
Gods.
the clove. So it's very good, you know, for my back later on. I really love the smell. So very nice. All right, follow me. Let's see. Wow, look at the spa room. Look at this. Wow.
Very nice.
So cool. So later on I will have a flower bath also. So best. This is the best day ever. I will pamper myself and Damian also pamper himself.
Yeah. Exclusive today.
Alright. First, before we take the treatment, we have to take a shower first and then I will take a shower. Bye bye.
Bye.
Slices orange. Cleanse your face to cleanse your teeth.
Alright, first of all, we will have a foot massage. So they put orange and mint, avocado, and then with the coffee. It's really good, you know, for the starting starting before we have a body massage.
Alright, so we are after the foot massage. Little bit drink, by the way, very nice glass, and we will have a lovely massage over here.
Tropical Vertigo. It is Indonesian ritual. We are using fresh fruit as essential skincare to restore moist level and soften the skin. After avocado fruit ritual, you will continue with Balinese massage using your oil, Island of God, and fruity massage oil. Start with yogurt and honey to cleanse your face. Sugar scrub with tomato extract to exfoliate the skin cell. Avocado and honey mask to nourish your skin. And finish with jade stone to cool down your skin pores.
Very nice.
And for Bapa, experience continue with the traditional Indian head massage using virgin coconut oil. And continue with mango passion scrub to exfoliate that skin cell.
Beautiful.
And for Johnny, continue with Balinese herbal citrus mint bath. Are you ready to start now?
Yeah, sure.
Are you ready, honey?
Whoa.
Let's go.
Yeah. Alright, so now we will have a massage. I'm super duper excited. So, let's check this out.
So, we are just having massage. So that's how it looks, the situation. Honey, how do you feel?
Oh my god, I feel so good.
Okay, good.
So good.
Very nice.
So Damian really enjoys his massage. So good.
Herbal milk bath. This is orange water This is slices cucumber.
So nice. So we will have a bath after we have a, body massage and body scrub. Wow, we feel so good.
Slices sunkiss.
Orange, sunkiss, orange.
Slices lemon.
This is my phone. Yeah.
And the last willow creek sunflower.
Nice, the sunflower.
Alright, we are after massage. It took us, I don't know how long, but very long, more than 2 hours. But so cool. Check this out, Winnie. Now she have a herbal bath.
Oh my god, I feel so good, after body massage and body scrub. Now it's time to have herbal bath. Look.
Herbal bath.
So many herbal things. It's really good for relaxing. Yeah. Oh my god, I like the smell of the orange and the freshness and the smell of the flowers. So good.
And now it's even rainy, start rainy, so you can hear the sound of the rain outside.
Yeah.
So cool, so cool. Alright.
Alright, we already finished having a spa treatment. Banana, honey.
Yeah.
I'm kidding, banana. Alright.
Bananas.
So we already finished, like having a spa, and I just want to say this is the best pampering day ever. That I've been to many places to have a spa massage. This is the best place. Highly recommended. I always put honest review whenever I go. If I don't like it, I will say I don't like. But this one, really guys, highly recommended. I feel so relaxing. And then Damian liked it.
Yeah, as last time, I'm not like that big fan of the spas and stuff like this, but this one's really nice. And this is not any kind of paid endorsement, we just pay for everything like usual.
Yeah,
Like
and
always.
because we stay here, we got 20% off for the spa.
And
That's why.
today is just the
Like
sweet
nothing that we
escape.
can do. It's raining and then we cannot go outside. So we decided to have a spa, and it's really highly recommended. Alright, guys, I think that's all our video today. And then I'm so tired. Thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya, take care.
Bye.